Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today I am going to show you one of the exclusive thing for you. One of the amazing thing in this nature. Light shows different types of phenomena: interference, diffraction, refraction, reflection, etc. This is one of the example for reflection of light. Here it is a water surface and light. The sunlight is came from the sun to this water surface. Then the reflection phenomenon occur. Then it will reflect to the rock nearby this lake. If you like this video, just share it to your friends.